Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce your group. My as moderator Rehan Transa. Next, my friend is Gemma, Fahri, and Lucia. Personal, law, and bureaucracy. Velos Dipitus. Meaning, an employment dispute is legal dispute than areas in official relationship. But one and civil servant and ISN and has official or government entity due to the issue of state administrative decision atau tool in the plan of complete such as decision on demential transfers, demential implementation of discipline sensation or denial of employment rights that are meant to be contrary to employment law and your general principles to good benefits are released in a loss of right for the employed and therefore can be referenced to administrative effort in the form of objective and administrative appeals. Outlook legality of text administrative court tutorial.
Legal basis for personal disputes. 1. Law number 5, 2014, State Civil Apparatus regulates the rights, obligation, and protection of civil servants, as well as the resolution of personal dispute through administrative means. Number 2, Law number 5, uh, 19 and 86, State Administrative Code grant the PTUN the authority to examine personal dispute regarding state administrative decision. Number 3, Government Regulation number 94 2021. Civil servant discipline regulates the types of disciplinary violation, sanction, and procedure for resolving civil servant disciplinary violation. Number 4, Government Regulation number 53 2010. All civil servant discipline. Civil servant disciplinary provisions prior to Government Regulation number 94 2021 are still relevant for all unresolved case. Number 5, Presidential Decree number 116 2022 ASN Advisory Body establishment of a body authorized to receive and resolve administrative personal dispute. Number 6, Supreme Court Circular Letter number 2, 19 and 91 PTUN Instruction. Supreme Court Circular Letter concerning implementation guidelines for the resolution of state administrative dispute. Next is type of employment dispute. Number 1, dismissal dispute, termination of service relationship. This dispute occurs when an ASN or PNS employee is dismissed from their position of employment. This status took a decision be made invalid or procedurally flawed. Dismissal can be either honorable or dishonorable. Dispute arise when the dismissal is carried out without a proper investigation process, without, without providing the employee with the right to defend himself, without a clear and proof basis for the violation or in violation of the provisions of government regulation number 94 of 2021, concerning civil servant discipline, legal basis ASN law articles 87 until 88, government regulation number 94 2021. Number two, transfer and demotion disputes. This dispute arise from the transfer of employee from one position of work area to another position or area that is deemed detrimental. Transfer become the subject of dispute if they are position of area that deemed detrimental. Transfer become the subject of dispute if they are carried out without objective and transparent reasons, act as a disguised punishment or punitive transfer, do not consider competency and organizational needs, or are suspected of being politically or personally motivated. Demotion of demotion or demotions that do not follow proper procedures also fall into the category legal basis civil servant law article number 73, government regulation number 17 2020. Next is type of employment dispute. Number three, employee rights dispute. This dispute relate to the non-fulfillment or implies normative rights which are due to them under statutory regulation. Right frequently, disputes include unpaid salaries and allowance, delayed or denied promotion, denied leave, unprocessed pension and old age security benefit, and right to facilities and protection within a service legal basis civil servant law articles number 21 and 22. Number four, the last is type of employment discrimination. Disciplinary sanction disputes. These disputes arise when employees are subjected to disciplinary action deemed disproportionate, unfair, or procedurally unlawful based on government regulation numbers 94 of 2021. Disciplinary sanctions are divided into light, moderate, and severe sanction. Dispute can arise if the sanction is imposed without an investigation by an authorized official. The level of the sanction does not commensurate with the severity of the violation, or the employee is not given the opportunity to defend himself. Legal basis government regulation number 94 and 2021.
Okay, types of employment disputes. 5. Appointment and promotion disputes. These disputes arise when the appointment process for structural or functional position is deemed non-transparent, merit-based, or biased. An employment may challenge an appointment if it is not conducted through an open selection process as mandated by civil service law. If the competency and job requirements are ignored, or this discrimination is found based on political affiliation, ethnicity, religion, or personal closeness to superiors. Legal basis Civil Service Law, Article 68 to 72. 5. Personal administration dispute. This dispute relates to errors, negligence in the personal administration that harm employees. Examples include error is assigning employee identification numbers, delay or errors in determining lack of service, data errors in the ASN information system, and delays in processing pension that result in financial losses for official legal basis ASN law, BKN regulation. Example of dispute: civil servant dismissal case for official crimes. A dispute has been decided by the Padang State Administration Court regarding the degree dismissal a civil servant for committing crimes in office. This dispute is registered under case number 2004 G 2019. The lawsuit was filed by a civil servant who did not accept dismissal decision from the Civil Servant Development Official. The subject of dispute is the Civil Servant Dismissal Decree. Civil servant disciplinary case, working hours or performance violation. The Padang City government frequently enforces civil servant discipline due to persistent violation, such as failing to work within set hours and failing to properly carry out public service duties. Civil servants who violated these rules can be subject to disciplinary sanction including reprimand, demotion, and dismissal. If civil servants do not accept these sanctions, if it can lead to employment disputes. Apply dispute resolution mechanism. 1. Objection. Submit an objection to the authorized official 14 working days. 2. Administrative appeal. Submit to the authorized official 14 working days. Lawsuit to the PTUN. Submit the lawsuit within 90 days after the final decree. PTUN appeal to High Court of Administrative Court. 5. Cassation and PK to the Supreme Court.
Employee Dispute Resolution Agency. Number 1. ASN Advisory Board or Highest Administrative Forum. Accept administrative appeals, recommend a cancellation of SK, employee dispute mediation. Number 2. State Civil Service Agency or Personnel Development and Administration. Technical Personnel Consideration, ASN Management System Audit, and Personal Reference Data. Number 3. State Administrative Court or Town Dispute Court. Checking the validity of the KTUN, cancelling a legally flawed decree, and restoring employee right. And number 4. ASN Commission or Independent ASN Supervision. Receive complaints of violation, recommendation to PKK, and merit system supervision. And the next one is conclusion and recommendation. Number 1 is personal dispute are important part of state administrative law that protect the right of ASN from arbitrary action by official. Number 2 is dispute resolution must prioritize administrative effort before going to litigation or PTUN in accordance with the ASN law and related AV. Number 3 is a strong merit system and legal protection for ASN are the foundation of a clean, professional bureaucracy free from politician intervention. And the last is recommendation is the realization of ASN right need to be improved. dispute resolution mechanism should be accelerated, and the DSN advisory body should be strengthened as an effective forum.